Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by eliminating movement physically. Mount the camera on a tripod or rest it on a stable surface. This is non-negotiable. Once mounted, set a shutter speed appropriate for focal length, about 1/60 for wide, 1/125 or faster for longer lenses, because faster shutter freezes motion. Make sure image stabilization is active when handheld, but disable it when rigidly mounted, since IS can introduce blur on a tripod. Also, use a 2-second timer or remote release to avoid. Now refine exposure and vibration control so your images are truly sharp. Choose an aperture like f/5, 6 to f/11 to get good depth and avoid diffraction. This keeps detail crisp. Increase ISO when necessary. It's better to shoot at ISO 800 with a fast shutter than ISO 100 with camera shake. Activate mirror lockup or use the electronic front curtain or fully electronic shutter to eliminate mirror slap. Finally, brace your body and use a cable or wireless release so your hands never disturb the frame. Finish by verifying results and diagnosing any remaining blur. Review a 100% crop on the camera screen to inspect for motion blur versus focus issues. This tells you whether to change settings or technique. If images are still shaky, increase shutter speed another stop, try a different lens, or swap the tripod. One bad leg or loose head can ruin shots. If everything else checks out, turn off image stabilization or autofocus and test again. That isolates whether IS or AF hunting caused the blur.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.